Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm 52 years old.
My name is Dale.
Hi, my name is Gina.
I started with the menopause method about 6 months ago when I was in a desperate, terrible situation, just sweating. At night, sometimes I had to change 3 times. I was soaking wet.
Probably about the age of 40, I encountered some very, very extreme female issues.
And about 3.5 years ago, I developed chronic insomnia.
I was up every single hour going to the restroom. I was never able to fall into a deep sleep.
Over the course of my day, due to lack of sleep, I was irritable and short-tempered, and my memory was suffering.
And also I was a dancer and couldn't continue dancing because I was sweating on my partners.
Now I'm addressing all of those issues with the menopause method. Sleeping at night, I'm not throwing the covers off every 20 minutes, waking up hot, cold. I'm actually able to get into a deep sleep.
From the very first night, I went into a super deep, restful sleep. I actually woke up in the same position I went to sleep.
So now life has changed a lot. I'm barely sweating. I'm sleeping fantastically. I will certainly continue with this method.
And I'm really enjoying my life now.